In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Gmail in just a few easy steps, ensuring a seamless integration that you can set up in about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. To do this, head over to PayPal's official website. You can easily find it by searching for PayPal in your web browser. Once there, you'll notice a login button at the top right of the page. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Input your PayPal username and password and proceed to log in. If prompted with a security step, you might need to choose between getting a verification code via text or WhatsApp. Simply select your preferred method and enter the code when you receive it. This step is crucial for safeguarding your account and ensuring that only you have access to it. Once you're logged in, you'll see the PayPal homepage. From here, direct your attention to the top right corner again, where you'll see a gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click on it to access more options for customizing your account. Within settings, you'll find an option labeled Account. Select this to explore several account-specific preferences. Now you'll want to focus on the emails section. It's essential to ensure that the email address you use for Gmail is listed here. If your Gmail isn't already saved in PayPal, you need to add it. To do this, click on the emails option, which will let you manage your associated email addresses. You'll have the chance to enter your Gmail address here. After entering your Gmail address, be sure to save your changes. This will link your PayPal and Gmail accounts, allowing for smoother transactions and notifications between these platforms. Once you save the changes, PayPal may prompt you to verify this new email address. Make sure to check your Gmail inbox for a verification email from PayPal and follow the given instructions to complete the process. And there you have it. In just a few moments, you've connected your PayPal to your Gmail account, enhancing your ability to receive notifications and manage transactions efficiently. Remember, this integration can make keeping track of your finances much simpler by ensuring that any updates or activities from PayPal are directly communicated to your Gmail. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to PayPal's customer support for assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to like, subscribe, or drop a comment below with other tutorials you'd like to see. Happy browsing!